More than 200,000 immigrants from El Salvador may have to leave the U.S. in 2019.
That's after the Trump administration announced today it is ending special protections for Salvadoran immigrants.
Josh Chapin joins us now live from downtown with what it all means for folks from El Salvador here in Houston. Josh?
Len and Mia, 80,000, more than 80,000 folks from El Salvador live here in the city of Houston. 19,000 of them, according to the city, will be directly impacted by this change. A local immigration attorney says now is the time to sort out your options.
Certainly a lot of people worrying about what they can do and who they can trust to help them to do it. So it's going to be very confusing times and very shocking, I think, for people from El Salvador and especially for their kids, too.
Tonight, fallout is already beginning here in Houston after the Department of Homeland Security decided to terminate temporary protected status, or TPS, for Salvadoran immigrants.
The government has said you can look to see if there's ways you can fix your status and stay here, or you need to make arrangements to leave.
Houston Immigration Attorney Bruce Coane.
To me, if somebody needs to stay here, there's certainly no reason to start packing your bags and leaving if you're from El Salvador.
Coane suggested several things to those impacted. If you've been in the U.S. more than 10 years and you're from El Salvador, look into getting a green card. Next, if you're married to a U.S. citizen, or there's another way to fix your status based on a family relationship, try that. And finally, if it gets into the legal arena, he said there are two possible defenses. One is that you've been here at least 10 years and a family member is going to suffer extraordinary hardship if you were to get deported. The other defense? Political asylum.
Because El Salvador is known as a dangerous place to go to right now. So folks can file for political asylum, or the more technical thing, if you're involved in court proceedings, is called withholding of removal. I saw the shock and awe of the Haitian people when it happened in South Florida. And yeah, I mean, I'm sure people are going to be in shock.
Folks from El Salvador first got TPS back in 2001 when a pair of devastating earthquakes killed 1,000 people, destroyed upwards of 100,000 homes there in El Salvador. Coane said the good news in all of this is that folks affected have about 18 months to deal with necessary paperwork. Len and Mia, back to you.